Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you my new planner called Rise Up. All right, friends, I'm going to share with you my new planner. This is the Rise Up Planner by Moira Kucaba. I've just came across her planner by Medero. She was sharing it in a video, and I was like, that is so awesome. I need this. This is a business planner specifically if you are a coach with Beachbody. I'm sure that you could use this for other things. Now, it came hardbound, and I actually shared it on my stories on Instagram. If you're looking for me over there, it's Elizabeth Medero _ But I actually had a coil put on because if you are a planner girl, you know you're going to be in and out of a planner a lot. And so you definitely need it to be spiral bound. The hardband wasn't working. And then I actually saw some planner videos with Moira that said that she actually wanted it spiral bound. So when I went to Office Depot, I think it cost $6 or $7 to have the spiral. You could pick blue, black, or white. And then I also had the clear coat or cover put on. That's why you're seeing it be like a little bit more iridescent. That's how it should look. And that just will protect my cover. Also, you get to pick a back cover, and I picked black just to match the coil. I want it to be kind of simple, and then that's the back cover of the book. And you can see when they bound the book, this is like the remnants of the paper. The other thing is that you're going to be in different sections of this book every day. And so I just bought these today. I bought some tabs. She recommends in her videos on YouTube to use magnetic bookmarks, which I looked when I was at Target today, and maybe I just was in the wrong section, but I figured these will work. And so I grabbed these. So I'm going to kind of walk you through, I'm not necessarily going to walk you through everything I'm putting in here, but I'll kind of walk you through. I've been in it for about a week now, and I am loving it. I need to dive in a little bit deeper, but if you are a planner girl like me, you need some time to really get in your planner. Now, this is not only a planner, but like a visionary guide on how to be successful. Moira is one of the top Beachbody coaches, and I am blown away by not only what she's been able to achieve, but the things she's overcome in her life and the wisdom that she's put in this book. So if you're looking for something to bump up your business, this is unbelievable. And I'm not just saying that. I really am impressed. So she does a contrast and clarity. So you write down all the negative things that you're saying about your life or your business, and then you change it and you write the positive on the other side. You practice writing your vision, which I'm not going to share you mine, but she has you write it out for the first quarter and then the second, the third, and the fourth, because it changes. And then you're supposed to read that every morning. And it's, what do you want for your family and your kids? And what kind of house are you living in? What kind of hobbies? And so you actually write out your vision for how you see your life, but in the most amazing way. So things that I can't achieve right now, but I am going to work towards. Then you're going to write about your avatar, which I'm not going to show you mine, but you write out all the qualities, basically you, and then your future dream team. And then you write out your goals. So there's a spot to really map out your goals, and she gives you success tips. The next section is the planner section. So here's her example for a month. You write down the month and then all of your different things that you want to achieve, and then business, your finance goals, your family and home, relationship, your body, fun, community. And so this isn't like my planner for the kids' schedules or vacations. This is business, and I love having a dedicated space to business. She even shows you how to map out your day. So if you're doing one focus hour, which with my coach business, you really only need 1 hour a day. So you really write in your workout, your morning routine, and then blocking out family so you don't get burnt out on the business. Also things to track. I love tracking to make sure that I'm doing the steps necessary to achieve goals. So this is super helpful. And then you also write out your wins and your losses. That way you can improve each week. So this is for the year. See this? It's pretty lengthy. So this is why you need the tabs, because see, month 11. All right, so at the end of each month, there is your monthly enrollments, so new clients, and then did you hit your goal and how many actual. So that's pretty helpful. You also have a list for your customer hot list and your business hot list. So anytime anyone responds positively to being invited to your next challenge, you can put down customers. You can also write down people who may want to do the business with you. So I think this is pretty cool to organize everything. And then the last section, if I can find it properly, is hustle. And I think this is pretty cool too. I'm pretty sure this is the last section. Yeah, there may be one more after it. This is takeaways. And so instead of having notebooks for books you're reading, every week we have a corporate training call, and we also have a training call within our team. And then also for personal development, a spot for you to put your takeaways. So instead of writing a mass amount of notes, you're just putting the takeaways. So if you're ever needing that inspiration, you can go back and find it. Let me find this last section and I'll show you. I should have put the tabs in ahead of time. And then this is where you have your book of wins. So at the end, she explains your book of proof. So when you're having the hardest time and you're thinking things aren't going your way, you can go back. So every week you can write down your wins and things that are going well. And that way you can reaffirm that you're moving in the right direction, that positive things are happening in your life, because it's all mind over matter for sure. Okay, I just put my tabs in, so I thought I would show you really quick. So they are really easy to move. And so I have my, the first one is on vision. The next one is on my month. And the following one is on my takeaways. And the last one is on my book of proof. So I can easily find them and I don't have to flip through. It's so crazy. And it just looks like that. So they just stick out just a little bit. And I picked the pink ones, but in that pack, they had different colors too. If they had teal, I would have picked those because that's my favorite. One other thing I wanted to mention, and let me go to maybe like the book of proof section to show you, is my favorite pen. And I've shared with you guys before, but I know pens are very important if you're a planner girl, but I found for my planner specifically that plans change. And one of the things that frustrate me the most is when you have to cross it out and rewrite. So I use the friction pens. They now sell these at Target, but I always buy them on Amazon, and you can actually get the refillable ink. So, so if I write October 7, and then you just wait a second, like let's say I didn't want to write 7, you just want to wait a second to erase it because it has to dry, or else you just kind of smear it everywhere. And it takes a little bit of a heavy hand to erase, and it won't erase fully. So I try not to write too heavy so you can kind of still see. So if I wanted to write something else, but 7 is what I wanted to write. So just wanted to share that with you if it was helpful. All right, guys, if you like these kinds of videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.